We don't support Batty man. I have push and start and sit near Batty wall. You look a dirty Batty man, you go suck your mama. In there I watch me people. See me in the box. See me they watch. Me show him. Me in there they watch.
He's in the box?
You know in the box. In there live I watch. See me? I'm screenshot yeah. But let me show you him. You look a Batty boy I watch. See in there? In the watch. In the right place. Go suck your mama Jerry. You never know me can't team. You fucker you. You think me you come for your team? You fucker you. Yeah man. You better know something. You fucker you. You never know some terrible so. You fucker you.
Toe boss.
What me say Nicki Minaj? After me send the Batty boy video with this song, Rich Out, and tell him to make a video tweet and post it. I know the Batty boy no give me a little promotion. So from that day, they pray him. Then the boy, the entire cigaretteness, they now support you. If though we don't need team, we could support him. But we just show you how petty them is. Me don't need him, because me have to tell me a big artist. And Bumbleclot, me a big TikToker, because me big on him. But me just show you how simple it is, and he could do it. Because suck your mama Jaden. You little Batty boy. Ashley, send a request. I will Ashley the people.
Blamdem. If it's his, if that's how he runs the professional side of his business,
professional side,
and he have a management and stuff like that, then he has to, do things a certain way.
Listen to me, a lie matter, not go a thief, a liar, a crook. If you got suck him right now, let me tell you the Batty boy, where they know. After me there, me yard and my birthday, and me there, my hotel, me and my birthday. I live my life and happy at bus champagne. The man call me out of my bed, bro. Have me pan life, him and Batty boy slime. I ask me about gold digger, bro. I say gold digger, a good thing gold digger, my friend. I suppose I did somebody when me there like, I go talk, this is somebody. I go think me not talk hypocrite about people. I go think me not this people love me.
Wow.
I go think me go say, big up gold digger. Any me did this gold digger, me da in a problem. Can't me da lose a supporter because of the Batty boy.
Why would he be trying to do that?
Have me pan live, somebody in the background attack, and the man have somebody pan live too. Because suck your mama Jaden, right? See Ashley, I talk.
Hi, Ashley.